Good evening, everyone. Today, I will teach you how to create reverse Twixtor in the most simple way. So, let's see the preview. In slow motion. Okay, now open CapCut. Sorry, this time open the node video. Add your clip. Now tap 3 lines and duplicate your clip. Now tap the root, then tap this. Move the video to right side. Now move the duplicate clip to upper side. Select the second clip and go to Effects. Now go to Time section, then select Time Remap. Now move the first keyframe to last and last keyframe to first. Your reverse Twixtor is ready to use. Okay, then follow the steps and export it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So, see you in the next video.